Damian Dollar want 'em more. Damian Diamond solving more. Vision clear, we rack 'em up, make 'em real intangibles.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching this. Welcome back to the Intangibles Podcast. I'm Matt here with Lige and Byron. And today, matagal na namin nag-uusapan gawin to, no? Sinasabi namin pero hindi pa namin ginagawa. Pero ngayon gagawin na namin, magkakaroon kami ng parang all-time NBA positions draft. So from point guard, shooting guard, small forward, power forward, center, lahat yan may draft. And we'll give you like a 5-episode series of that. Sunod-sunod yan. Hopefully, you guys will like it and let us know your thoughts. But before that, NBA playoffs, no? NBA playoffs, right? Ano ba? Dalawang team pa lang na-eliminate, diba? So far,
Tatlo.
ay, sino yung isa? Gago. As of March 30, guys. April 30. Lakers, Pelicans.
Suns.
Ay, shit. Oh, Lakers, Pelicans, Suns are eliminated. So 3 teams from the West. Guys. Actually, gusto kong pag-usapan muna. Thoughts on the Suns and Minnesota matchup. Di ko ina-expect yun, by the way. Una ako na kayo. Hindi ko ina-expect na mangyayari yun. Pero, I would expect that they would fight. Hindi ko lang ina-expect. I don't like either team. Personally, I don't like either team. Pero, Anthony Edwards looked like young MJ. You know what I'm saying? Ano thoughts niyo doon, guys? Byron, ikaw?
Well, actually, same thoughts ko for all the series. Akala ko the West itself, akala ko lahat, at least game 6, game 7, pero turned out to be just finish in 5, finish in the sweeps. Pero yun nga, yung Suns, Wolves, I knew it was gonna be a tough matchup sa Suns kasi they had no presence inside. So may advantage talaga yung Minnesota doon. But Anthony Edwards, grabe, coming out party just took over the whole series. And I think that was the story talaga. I mean, it's just the changing of the guards. Iba si Anthony series eh. They just couldn't contain him. They just couldn't do anything about him.
Ano si Kat, pre?
Hindi ko siya napansin. Hindi ko siya naramdaman. Totoo lang.
Hindi ko napansin.
Yeah. Good win. Tough matchup yan for the Nuggets for me. I think.
Really?
It'll be a very tough matchup. Yeah.
Okay. Sige, pag-usapan natin yan in a bit. Lige, ikaw.
Ako naman, I don't have anything else to say sa Timberwolves kasi na-mention na lahat ni Byron. Pero disappointed ako sa Suns. Kasi when you look at it, let's backtrack sa off-season, yung 2023 off-season. They're the ones who's making noise. Lahat, di ba? The fact na nakuha na nila si Bradley Beal. And you would think talaga na even though let's say may holes sa defense nila, I actually thought yung offensive prowess nila would make up for it. Pero wala eh. Wala talaga eh. And we've mentioned this na, ayun na nga, nahirapan nga sila against a team na kompleto. And they're teaming the Suns. Wala silang 2-point guard. It was a big hit. Pero for me, that's an excuse. Kasi the fact that we have a KD, a Devin Booker, and a Bradley Beal. Disappointed lang ako. Kasi didn't expect, parang, sige, sabihin natin nanalo Timberwolves, pero I didn't expect na masisweep ang Suns. So, I'm kind of like disappointed lang sa Suns. Pero, congrats to Timberwolves. They showed na, yeah, they're legit. So,
So far. Actually, medyo, like I said a while ago, in-expect ko naman hindi magiging maganda yung laro ng Suns. So, medyo I'm still not that impressed with Minnesota. But, speaking of that, no, before we move on to the Lakers-Denver matchup, sabi mo ba, magandang matchup sa tingin mo ng Minnesota sa Denver? Why?
I don't think Denver would have that big of an advantage sa Minnesota. I think they can match up with their size. You have Towns, you have Gobert, you also have the 6.5 year with Naz Reid. So they can match up sa size ng Denver. And if you're gonna look at the Timberwolves, tapos yung defense ng Nuggets, the Nuggets' best defender for me is Aaron Gordon. So are you gonna match up Aaron Gordon with Anthony Edwards or Karl Anthony Towns. Kasi if you're gonna put him on Anthony Edwards, it's gonna be a mismatch naman kay Karl Anthony Towns. If you're gonna put him on Karl Anthony Towns, it's gonna be a mismatch with Anthony Edwards. So I think it's gonna be a difficult matchup din sa Nuggets. And from what I saw din nung season, hirap yung Nuggets sa Wolves. There are moments that they just can't stop the Wolves defensively, and the Wolves can match up with the Nuggets, especially with Anthony Edwards leading the charge, energy niya, yung confidence niya, scrubbing off with his teammates, and it's a rematch from last year. I think the Timberwolves learned from it. They got better, and I think they're hungrier this year, which is a big factor. And Anthony Edwards, I think, just really made that jump. Kaya lang ako naniniwala sa Timberwolves din.
Okay, fair enough. Pero yun nga, Denver Lakers, guys. Sabi sa inyo, 1 game eh. Sabi sa inyo. Anong pinagkulang? Well, I think, 2 games yun na Jamal Murray yung may dahilan kung bakit sila natalo. 2 game yun. Sayang yun. 3-3 sana. Pero I mean, wala. It's their fault for making it that close of a game. Whose fault is it? Mainly.
I don't think you can.
Who?
I don't think you can just blame one person talaga sa losses ng Lakers.
If you can blame one person.
Better than that, I think. We need change in coaching. You have the talent. Not the talent naman to surely beat the Nuggets, pero you have the talent to at least compete. Which showed kasi they were up big in each game. Kasi nabulan talaga.
May nakita nga ako, pre, sabi, kung hanggang 3rd quarter lang daw tapos na yung laro. Panalo na sila.
Pero the Nuggets are just better din naman talaga. Pero to go out that way, I think you need to change the coach na. You just need to change the coach.
I agree. I think he was the biggest problem. I think another problem would be the inconsistency of D'Lo. Could be more consistent with this game. Nag-0 of 7 siya nung, ano ba yun? Anong game yun? Game 3?
Game 3. Pero D'Lo, di naman siya third star din to expect that kind of performance every game. I think you need to find from other players din.
I think I'm just expecting him to be more consistent. Hindi naman star player type level, just be more consistent of how you play. I guess kung kailangan na nga ng tulong ng Lakers, if he's not gonna provide so much production, edi at least help consistently. Hindi yung...
Yeah, pero yung instinct ko lang kay D'Lo is, I don't think he's a top 5 problem ng Lakers. Kasi even though he played well, they still lost. They still blew 20-point lead. So I don't think he's like that big of a problem. As kumpara din sa iba nilang kulang talaga.
True. Ay, ikaw, Lodge.
When it comes to the Lakers versus Denver, wala lang. Mas magaling talaga yung Denver eh. Pero, ang napansin ko lang sa series na to, it was a very hard 5-game series for the Nuggets. It didn't seem like it was a 5-game series. Parang halos lahat ng panalo nila, lahat ng panalo nila come from behind. And medyo concerning lang. Kasi even though you say natalo mo naman yung Lakers, and yes, you say malakas yung Lakers, it's just that yung teams na they're gonna go up against, ayun nga, which is the Timberwolves, I think mas malakas, diba? So, it's really concerning. Pero on the side naman of the Lakers, wala eh. Parang the Nuggets know their game plan na talaga. I mean, the fact na that team would come from behind after the second half. It's just that parang hindi siya what they call this coincidence. It happens every single game. As in, parang calculated talaga ng Nuggets yung game plan ng Lakers. I don't know. I think the Lakers lang talaga is a bad matchup for the Nuggets. If it were any other team, siguro they would have won a series. Pero ayun nga, prior to the Nuggets advancing and facing against the Timberwolves, I think it's a more even match to look forward.
Okay. Thunder Pelicans. Byron, number
Not
one hater.
surprised.
Number one hater ng
Anong
Thunder. Go by.
Well, wala Zion.
Oh,
So,
puta na. Oh,
wala
Jesus.
Zion. Zion.
Wala.
Alright. Okay,
Gumawa
sige.
pa ng excuse.
Very disappointing performance from Brandon Ingram. I thought that the other vets of the Pelicans would take over, but they never had good games at
He
all.
got locked up.
Yeah, I mean, Brandon Ingram, coming off an injury din. Tapos, pipilitin mo talaga sa kanya. So, if hindi na ganyan yung sistema nila, you have other players that could contribute. And kita naman nga nahirap siya kay Dort. So, why force the offense to go through him?
Dapat
So,
Valanciunas eh.
Ha?
Dapat Valanciunas eh.
Ayun nga din. Pero may mga times kasi na he wouldn't ask for the ball. Kahit, parang may mga ganun sila yung tendencies eh. I think if Zion was there nga, they would have someone that would be more aggressive. I think yun yung kulang sa Pelicans. Just that aggression. Yun yung nakita ko eh. But the Thunder took advantage of that. And, well, outmatched talaga Pelicans na.
True. Ikaw, Lige.
Ayan. Siguro sa mo Suns din. Pero at the same time, wala naman talagang ini-expect sa Pelicans. Except, I thought this would have been a even matchup. And I thought this would have been an exciting matchup.
Mm.
And I don't know what happened nung the last two games for the Pelicans. Parang ang sama. Parang if I were to rant lang talaga based off sa performance nila, I would say personally parang I don't think they deserve to be in the playoffs next year. It's like sabihin mong OKC is a good team, pero the fact na that team is very young and denominate sila ng team na it's like no excuses kahit sabihin mo wala si Zion.
Tama.
Diba? So parang I'm upset na parang hindi lumaban yung Pelicans.
Huwag ka naman maging upset, pre. Masaya nga ako eh.
Hindi. Sa Pelicans.
Ayan.
Kasi
Okay.
actually ito talaga abot ng 7 games. Di ba? Na you
Kung
mentioned
pinag-usapan natin, kala ko aabot ng 7 games eh. Pero
it felt like it was a 4 versus 5 match. Pero gusto show na 1 versus 8 seed nga talaga to.
Amen. Amen. Masaya to. Okay. Moving forward though, napag-usapan natin yun. Guys, again, April 30 pa lang to. So, pag hindi namin napag-usapan yung mga ibang kung merong eliminations dahil hindi pa namin naabutan. But,
we would just want to shout out one of our sponsors for our podcast. We've partnered with Pinas Forward. If you guys don't know Pinas Forward, basically it's a non-partisan, non-profit organization committed to enhancing democracy and promoting progressive societal advancements through digital-driven data and innovations in the Philippines. And this advocacy group strives to foster a technologically proficient, socially conscious, and morally guided Philippines through innovation grassroots strategies. And their commitment involves creating initiatives such as eBoto, and which is a web-based digital democracy research ecosystem. And for further details, make sure to follow their programs and activities in all of their social media channels. They can be found in Instagram, Twitter, and as well as Facebook. So, follow them, guys.
moving forward, ayun. So, magda-draft kami ngayon. And today's draft is 4 point guards. Okay. Okay. Ano ba to? Chat GPT ko na lang yung order natin, mga pangalan natin. Okay.
Sure.
Can you please put these names in order of 1 to 3? And okay. Matt Byron Light. Ano ba yan? Ay, ang hirap naman ito. Ayoko yung naging first pick ako.
David.
Game.
Game? Okay, sige. Ako, first pick ko. What I believe would be, who I believe is one of, if the not best point guard ever that changed the game of basketball. Although I do not like him as much. But at my point guard, sa point guard ko, I'm gonna put Steph Curry. I'm gonna get Steph Curry.
Wait lang.
Very.
Akala ko ba may ano?
Oo nga, point guard nga.
Yo,
Siyempre, puposition mo pa rin kung sino yun. Gago.
hindi na siya by ano?
Ipo,
By categories.
hindi. Point, anong by category? Ay,
Alam ko
guys,
kasi
sorry. O nga
ginawa
pala,
ko
gagawa rin kami ng perfect point guard later. So,
Okay.
baka yun yung sinasabi ni Lige.
iba pa to.
Iba pa yun.
Iba pa
Draft
to.
to, draft to.
Steph Curry. So, since point guard draft nga naman to, kuha na ako ng big. Kuha na ako ng center. And who else than the guy who won the finals MVP playing center? I'm gonna go Magic Johnson.
Magic Johnson.
That's my center.
Okay.
Hindi ko lang nalaman, ang hirap pala nito. Akala ko ito yung by category, ha? Anyways, you know what? Fuck it. Sige. Let me get who I believe should have been the greatest player of all time if he never got
Ay,
injured.
putang ina naman.
First pick.
First pick na first pick.
Pwede na si Derrick Rose.
Okay.
And then, ako ulit, di ba? Sige, for my center, I'm gonna draft him based off lang of his size. So, I think it's the biggest point guard, you know, in history. I'm not sure, correct me if I'm wrong. Pero, sige,
Michael
at
Carter
center,
Williams.
Hindi. Just for his size, kukunin ko si Ben Simmons at center.
Okay. Okay. Ben Simmons. Okay. Sige. That makes sense.
Okay. So for my 4, gusto ko may size pa rin. Kuha na ako ng 4. I'm gonna go Luka Doncic. Luka and Magic.
Fucking bitch. Fucking bitch.
Stretch 4.
Okay. May naisip lang akong tactic now. Pero wala eh. Since kinuha ni Lige yung favorite player niya, ako na rin, kukunin ko na rin. kukunin ko na rin. Prime version naman to. So wala akong maisip na pwede kong ilagay other than this guy for my center because he does everything on the floor. Triple double king, Mr. Russell Westbrook at my center. And syempre, kailangan ko rin ng 4. So, yung isa pang triple-double king, Big O, Oscar Robertson.
Oscar Robertson.
Diba? Ayos ba? Payag ba?
Okay.
Okay lang, 16 naman si Ben Simmons.
Okay, so meron ako center. Now for kuha ako ng shooting guard. Kailangan ko ng shooting guard, pure scorer. Puro passer naman yung meron ako.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go with who I believe is the most skilled player NBA history. I'm going Kyrie Irving. Third pick.
Supposed to be my next pick. Fuck.
Okay. Luka and Kyrie pa. Chemistry ako.
Sige.
Let me get the all-time leader in assists. I'll put him at my point guard, John Stockton. Ayun, yun lang yung playmaker. That's the only guy I need. That's the only playmaker I need. So, medyo sobrang unconventional ng mga picks ko. Pero, let me think. Okay, fine. Sige. Hindi. Baka may nakakalimutan ako. Thousands. Sige, I'll get another slasher. I'll get Ja Morant.
Wow! Ja Morant? The
Yeah.
fuck? D-Rose and
Si
Ja. Puta,
shooting.
walang shooting tong team na to. Walang shooting. Okay.
Mm, yeah.
All Guns N' Roses.
Johnson, Doncic, Kyrie.
May 4 ka na ba, Jin? Ay, ano, bye?
Luka Doncic.
Siya yung 4 mo. Okay.
Okay. So, kuha na ako point guard. I want leadership and toughness.
Wow, leadership
And
and toughness.
so I'm gonna get leader of the bad boys. Para may angas tayo.
Tangay na
Isaiah
Isaiah
Thomas,
Thomas. Okay.
point guard.
Okay. Ako, last 2 picks ko, I just see this fitting somehow for some reason. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Looking at my team, it's a very fast-paced team, no? Siguro sobrang undersized kasi tangina naman, point guard lang naman yung position natin. So, okay lang. Pero, I decided to move Steph Curry at the 2 and put a playmaker and Steve Nash at the 1. And then at my 3, he's a tall point guard. He can probably play that position and he's not that bad in defense. Sino pa ba? I can't miss this out. Si SGA, pre. I can't miss this out. Hindi ko pwedeng hindi ilagay sa team ko yun. SGA. That's my team right there. May 6-man ba tayo?
Okay. Pwede naman.
Sige.
Okay. Next pick ko. Meron akong point guard. 4 yung point guard ko. Meron akong scorer. Meron akong 2 bigs. For my 3, kuha ko ng big point guard. I need defense. He's gonna play a lot of defense. He can rebound. He can play make. Do everything on the basketball court. John T. Murray. Yes, sir. John T. Murray.
Si ano ba? Si Sohan ba? Point guard?
Kahit point guard, hindi ko kukuhin yan. John T. Murray. Favorite player naman kukuhin natin eh.
Ayaw mo yun, like Jeremy Sohan.
So, dalawa pa picks ko, di ba? Isang starter tapos 6-man. Sige. Ito, lagay ko na lang rin sa list kasi I can't leave them out. Pero, I personally believe this the last true point guard ever. Wait lang, napili na ba to si Chris Paul?
Piliin ko dapat, pero sige.
Wala, I can't leave him out eh. So, I'll put Chris Paul at my 2 left. Sino mas matangkad? Okay naman mas matangkad siya yung nasa number 2. Ay, siya yung nasa 2 shooting guard ko siya. 6-1 ko naman. Isip pa itong malaki. Wait lang. I'm just gonna aanayin ko lang. Clarify ko. Ay, confirm ko. This point guard na. Can we consider Penny Hardaway a point guard?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. With that being said, sige, ilalagay ko si Ja Morant sa 6-man ko. Then I'll put Penny Hardaway at power forward.
Okay. 6-man ko. Okay naman yung 5 ko. 6-man ko, I just need energy off the bench. Defense. I'm gonna go GP, Gary Payton.
Okay lang. Pero tangina mo pa rin.
Defense. Energy yan.
Shit, naisip yun ah.
Patrick Beverly, ayaw mo.
Oh.
Patrick Beverly. Gary Payton the third. Ay, the second pala. Ay, the junior. Ano ba yun?
Corey Joseph.
Sige, ako,
Solo.
six-man ko, since undersized nga lahat ng mga lineups except yung Kyle Lodge.
Raymond Felton.
Raymond Felton. Defense wins
Pablo
championships.
Viglione.
Gusto mo, Eric Maynor pa eh. Tangina mo. I'm
Cameron
gonna pick a
Payne.
guy that can get boards also, that can get triple doubles also, can defend, who I believe is probably in the top 10 of point guards, probably. For career wise, I'm getting Jason Kidd, 6-man. Alright? Who we got? Okay. Okay. For my point guard, I got Steve Nash.
Ano na ako?
At the 2, Steph. 3 si SGA. Putang ina. At the 4, Big O. At the 5, Russ. And then 6-man, Jason Kidd. Wow, pati no draft ko ngayon
Okay, so point guard ko, Isaiah Thomas. At my 2, Kyrie Irving. My 3, my star player, DeJounte Murray.
Nako, talo na.
4,
Talo
Luka
na.
Doncic. My 5, Magic Johnson. My 6
Talo na.
man, Gary Payton. Dapat 40 shots per game sa DeJounte dyan.
Talo na, yung pa yung naging starting player eh. Yung pa yung naging star player mo. DeJounte yung puta. Sige, Elijah.
Talaga.
Sige. For my point guard, lahat sila point guard. At my 1, kung sino man mas matangkad kanila, Chris Paul at saka John Stockton, yun na lang yung 1. Yung 2, yung mas maliit pala. Yung 2, yung
John Stockton
kung sino
ata.
man mas matangkad sa
John Stockton ata mas maliit.
Ayun, edi si John Stockton yung 1, Chris Paul 2, tapos star player ko si Derrick Rose, tapos at my 4, then at my 5,
Ben
malaki naman siya,
Simmons. Ben Simmons.
Tapos
Ben
yun ko,
Paring
si Ja Morant.
Puta, ang hirap
Parang
na. Parang daming problema ng team mo. May injury, walang shooting. Yung isa,
Ja Morant,
shooter din pala si Ja Morant nga pa.
may passing naman yung team ko.
May passing?
Athletic, very talented.
Pero talo yan, gagi shooters.
All-star game.
Okay, anyway. Ito, before we move on siguro to building the best point guard possible, who do you guys think are like the top 3?
Dean.
Top 3 point guards of all time? Like by order.
Magic, Steph. Number 3. Isaiah Thomas or
Same.
Oscar Roberts.
I would put Isaiah Thomas more. Pero when can Steph overcome Magic? Don't think so.
Pag nanalo siya ng isa pang championship.
Why? Is that the basis?
Because most likely kapag siya yung nanalo, if nanalo siya ulit ng time, siya magiging finals MVP. And it's just that feeling ko kasi top 12 all times yan. If not top 11, you can
That low?
have an argument na top 10 siya.
That low?
Steph?
Yeah.
Top 10. 12, 11, 10.
Really?
Pero,
Yeah.
Damn, y'all. Who the fuck?
Pero if Steph wins another championship,
So top
I would think
12,
about it na.
top 12, 11, 10 siya, tapos biglang pag nanalo siya ng championship, ma-overcome niya si Magic. Ano yun?
Yeah,
Hindi, kasi para sa akin, ganun kalaking jump, ganun kalaking bagay yung
Championship na
manalo siya ng
next.
isa pang tao. Kasi Kobe, Timmy, Larry Bird, you could argue Bill Russell.
Pinag-uusapan natin, Ledge. Ba't tayo napunta sa kanila?
Hindi, kasi winning up ko lang kasi yung
The winning of championships, you mean?
It's not just that. Pero skill-wise, I'll be honest, Steph is more skilled than Magic. Pero at the same time, mas maraming pang na-achieve si Magic. And at the same time, he's showing he's like the more traditional point guard, di ba? So for me, malaking bagay yung isang championship for him to, at the very, very least, parang stay even kay Magic. Wait lang, ilang championship to si Magic?
5.
Ayun, fun.
Ayun. Ikaw, boy, same ka. Bakit mo sinasabi mo, he can't anymore?
Um, to me, it's the same as the LeBron MJ argument. We're gonna bring
Mhm.
up yung naghahabol si Steph, but we failed to realize that Magic only played for 12 years. He won 5 championships. He won 3 MVPs. He made it to the finals 9 times. And Steph is still going. He's in his mag 15th year na. Tapos, he's naghahabol pa rin siya. And we talk about the early years of Steph, his early struggles in the playoffs. Magic Johnson, with a star player out, took over the game 6 to win Finals MVP as a rookie. Like from start to end, Magic Johnson, parang to me is the biggest what if sa NBA. Because he retired.
If he played out
Yeah,
entire, ano?
if he didn't get that illness, if he didn't have to retire that early, he just won MVP yata. Tapos the next year, he retired. Parang ganun. So you can just imagine how his career would have panned out if he didn't have to retire that early. He could have won more championships. He could have won more accolades. So para sa akin, it's just with also changing the game. We talk about Steph Curry changing the game from the shooting standpoint. But Magic Johnson was a big factor in making the game positionless, being that big of a point guard. So may ganun factor din para sa akin Magic Johnson. I don't think Steph can reach that with all the awards, accolades. Lamang pa rin si Magic Johnson eh. So it's just the threes. I mean, I get the currency bias. Pero I'm di talaga I don't think he can overtake Magic. And it's just my opinion.
Gets. Okay. Sige. Speaking of one of the best point guards, no? Ang ganda ng segue. Gagawa tayo ng sarili nating build. Pang 2K My Career, pag pinapili ka ng point guard, ito yung build mo. Ayan, diba? So, gagawa tayo ng ganun. And to be nice to Ledge, ay hindi, sige, chat GPT ko na ulit para walang madaya. Pata. Chat GPT ko na ulit. Ay, nako. Shout out chat GPT.
Ano naman,
Hindi na lang to, paunahan na lang. Kuwari, hindi kailangan IQ tapos IQ lahat. Parang pili ka na lang ng category mo.
Okay,
Hindi
sige.
naman to drafting.
Guys.
Ililista ko na lang
Hindi
para
naman
lang.
Uh,
Ililista ko na lang para sure. Ililista ko sa akin. Kasi mahirap to eh. Baka magkalimutan tayo ng ilalagay. So, isisend ko na lang sa GC natin ng ating mga build. Okay, so yung sabi ng chat GPT, Byron Matledge.
okay.
Okay, sige. Byron, take the floor.
Okay. Hirap ito. Unahin ko shooting.
Wait lang.
Ano?
Ano?
Steph Curry.
Wait lang, bawal umulit ba?
Bawal.
Bawal umulit.
Oh.
Shooting.
Unahin ko na shooting. Steph Curry.
Okay, shooting of Steph Curry. Shit, sino kaya sa akin gago? Tangina naman Byron to eh. Yung agad yung... hindi.
Naglaban na si Magic na to. Bigla Steph Curry first week.
Oh, sige, baliktad tayo. Sige. Hindi, marami kasing IQ. Passing. Magic Johnson.
Okay.
Ledge.
Body build athleticism.
Isa lang.
Ano difference yung IQ sa passing?
Just the general IQ of the game.
Handles. Lagyan natin handles.
Handles.
Lagyan natin.
Ay guys, yung ano pala category
Ang
namin
dami.
is body build, meaning the height or like
Yeah.
basta
That's
general
why.
body build.
Yeah.
IQ, passing, shooting, athleticism, defense. Athleticism meaning vertical and speed, defense, and then handles.
Yun na siguro.
Wait, kapag dating sa body build, are we taking into consideration yung, kumbaga, what do you call this? Kung gaano ka prone siya to injuries? Hindi naman.
So,
Di na, height at saka yung ano lang, yung talagang built
perfect world
ng
na tayo. Wawa
Okay,
naman,
sige.
injured yung player natin.
Oo nga, nagagawa na nga tayo ng perfect build, may injured
Gawin
pa.
ko ulit si Ben Simmons for body build. Tapos, IQ, I'll get Jason Kidd.
Oh, Jason Kidd.
Jason Kidd.
Okay, Jason Kidd.
IQ.
Okay. IQ, maraming IQ players yan. I'll go athleticism. I'm going back to Russ, man. I can't. Sino ba bang mas athletic sa kanya na aside like yung
Next
D-Rose?
question. Next.
Aside from D-Rose. Like actually iniisip ko kasi hindi ko maisip. Yung mga athletic point guards. Tsaka?
Marami. I mean,
John Paul?
speed ba? Speed din, di ba? Taking into consideration din yung speed.
Oh.
Sige.
Oh, bye.
Fuck, hirap pa. I'll go handles. I'm gonna go Kyrie.
Mm-hmm.
And then, Kyrie.
Puta.
Hirap ito. Yeah, passing. I'm gonna go Rondo.
Oh, fuck. Fuck. God damn it.
God damn it.
Yun dapat yung IQ ko eh. Tangina.
Okay.
Ako muna.
Ay. Iyo.
Sige. IQ. I'll go John Stockton. John Stockton for IQ. Medyo mahirap pala to.
Nga lang. Meron ako body build at saka di ba, IQ.
Mm-hmm.
Athleticism, I have to go with Derrick Rose.
Parang inuulit lang nila dyan.
Defense.
Pat Bev. Pwede naman Pat Bev. Defense naman talaga yun. Defense lang naman yung kukunin mo sa kanya.
I'll go Gary Payton. Gary Payton.
Fucker, bitch. Ano ba? Ano bang... Ina talaga.
Ay na, Pat Bev ka pa ng Pat Bev, ha? Alam mong kukunin ba si Gary Payton?
Okay. I'll go on to... Teka, lahat ba kayo? Okay, sige. I'll go to body build. Yun dun ko nalalagay si Oscar Robertson. Just based on height.
Okay. Okay, IQ. I'm gonna get Isaiah Thomas. Detroit, Isaiah Thomas.
Ina talaga. Ano ba?
And then, body build. Luka Doncic. Para may mga katawan pa to. Post up to.
Luka Doncic, ang putik. Sige,
Girth ang putik.
Okay, sige. For my shooting, I'll go Dame.
Okay.
Dame Lillard. I need that.
So, body build, IQ, shooting at saka athleticism. Ay, hindi, athleticism. Ay,
Defense.
so last pick ko na pala. Ay,
Hindi.
hindi.
May passing shooting handles ka pa. Ang
Handles
dami
pa.
pa nito.
Passing shooting. Wait lang, I'll confirm.
Oh, shit. Fuck.
Uh, hmm. For, wait lang. Medyo, okay, sige. Shooting, I'll go Steve Nash. Tapos, passing, I'll go Chris Paul.
Ano ba yan? Nakakawalang gana ang kalaro, guys.
Bakit?
Kinukuha mo lahat ng pick ko.
Gawin mo agad.
Fuck you ka talaga. Okay, sige. Handles or defense? Let me. Ako rin, magko-confirm lang. Shit. Okay. Sige. For my defense, I'll go John Wall. John Wall. Ganun yan? Tama ba? Ganun ba yan? John Wall. Sir.
Athleticism. Parang mas kailangan ko yung mabilis kasi mataas tumalon. So, I'll go De'Aaron Fox.
Yeah. Athleticism, okay.
Then defense.
Sige na, next.
Yeah, I'll go with the guy that's been known for his defense for the past decade. Jrue Holiday.
Okay.
Why not?
Okay, solid player.
Jrue Holiday.
Sige, ako last pick ko is handles. So, ang handles ko, I would rather focus on keeping the ball than being fancy. So, I will choose Tony Parker. Tony Parker. Just a point guard. Just a solid point guard. I don't need my player to lose the ball while dribbling. Handles din pala sa'yo, Lige.
Wala, nakuha na kasi si Kyrie. So, I'll pick another flashy ball handler, a very underrated player. I'll get white chocolate for
Oy!
Reason
Williams.
Damn, throwback. Okay, bye. Go. Man, say.
So, feel like perfect point guard. Imagine Luka Doncic with the athleticism of the Aaron Fox, the defense of Jrue Holiday, the handles of Kyrie, the shooting of Steph, passing of Rondo, and the IQ of Isaiah Thomas.
So
This is the perfect point guard.
Bakit hindi si DeJounte?
Huh?
Bakit hindi body build ni DeJounte ganun?
Tinabuo ko. Si DeJounte yan. DeJounte tinabuo.
Kaya dapat sinabi mo na lang pala DeJounte para marami kami
Nasa balis na dito.
para sa amin lang sister.
DeJounte.
Thomas. DeJounte na lang sana pinili mo.
So si
Nag-bench sila
DeJounte,
pwede mo.
may IQ ni Isaiah Thomas.
Oo.
May passing ni Rondo. May shooting ni Steph.
May height ba ni
Tapos,
Luka?
tapos may
Oo.
handle ni Kyrie.
Ano, tanggal pala ni, Dishante.
Ay,
Ang
nako.
tangkad ng lead niya.
Okay, ako naman. The old Oscar Robertson. With the IQ of John Stockton, the passing of Magic, shooting of Dame, athleticism of Russ, defense of John Wall, and then solid handles of Tony Park.
Okay. Sa akin, my God. I have to go for Lee Rose's athleticism with Ben Simmons' body build. Kaya 6'10". Tapos imagine mo lang, Ben Simmons, tapos may shooting si Steve Nash. Greatest point guard of all time kagad yun, di ba?
To be fair,
Tapos,
nga, kung may ganun siya, baka kaya niya
may
mag-defend.
depensa pang
Pwede nakadalawang
Bradley
DeJounte
Beal.
may tayo.
Di ba pwedeng paano yung mindset? Wala bang ganun?
Mindset.
Ay,
O sige.
mentality. Tapos
Mentality.
IQ Jason Kidd, tapos passing Chris Paul. Ano ko yung handles? Yung sinabi ko sa handles.
White chocolate.
White chocolate. Si Jason Williams. Dejounte. Pre.
Okay, guys, please vote for who do you think has the best player. And kayo, since wala naman kayong dinadraft dyan, lagay nyo na rin kung ano yung best build para sa inyo for a point guard. No? But aside from that, can't wait to keep watching the NBA playoffs, to see where every team goes, especially the Thunder. No, support natin sila. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow all our socials. And yes, peace and love, y'all. Stay safe. God bless.